You women nowadays are always telling men that we don't want girlfriends. We want moms.
By telling, do you mean observing that this is happening? Or, you know what? I'm going to give you a chance. Let's prove them wrong together.
When we ask you to do basic women-like things for us.
By women-like, do you mean mommy-like?
No, we want you to act like women in our mom's generation. You know, the women that raised us?
Yeah. I called the woman that raised me mom.
The women that took care of their husbands, cooked for their husbands.
Took care of? Like they're a little guy who needs his mommy?
Didn't want to go to work and abandon their kids.
You want them to be a stay-at-home mommy?
Didn't want to party at the clubs all weekend and act like they hate men all the time.
Not all men. But even if some do, I imagine hate is an easier feeling to feel than love for a romantic partner who wants you to be their mommy.
So no, we don't want moms.
Are you sure? You should watch your video. Because that's what it sounds like you want.
We want you to act like wives.
Wives with babies? So mummies?
Unfortunately for us men, it seems like the last time that happened was in our mom's generation.
So in short, no, we don't want you to be a mom. We want you to specifically be our mom.
I got some good advice for you. No, you don't.